Investigators with multiple agencies are meticulously searching for the possible cause of the deadly fires that broke out last week in the Los Angeles region. Sources tell NBC News that early leads suggest the Palisades fire may have been human-caused, involving either fireworks or unauthorized individuals camping in an area. While this is still early in the investigation, the sources caution that some key investigators have yet to visit the point of origin and that no conclusions have yet been reached. Tonight, we're getting an update from 4 Colorado Springs firefighters on the ground in LA battling those large wildfires. They're in what's called a strike team, a unit consisting of 40 firefighters from around the state, including Palmer Lake and Teller County. The team left on Friday and arrived early Sunday morning. This is a look at just some of the damage that they've encountered on their way to Malibu. The team spent their first 24 hours cutting brush and assisting hand crews in the area. They'll be in the Los Angeles area for the next 2 weeks, assisting firefighters there, along with several other departments from around Colorado.